Have you ever wondered how to get kids to be disciplined without having to yell all the time? Well, maybe the answer is in this video. Hi, my name is Berliana. In this video, I'm going to explain one of the theory from the theory of learning. It's called the behavioristic theory. In its development, there were 7 main figures, namely Ivan Petrovich Pavlov, Edward Thorndike, John B. Watson, Edwin Guthrie, B.F. Skinner, Edwin Chase Tolman, and Robert Mills Gagne. Each figure has their assumption, but basically they are the same. This might be an old theory, but it is still super relevant in the world of education today. So here's the deal. Behavioristic theory believes that behavior can be shaped. How? Through something called stimulus or a trigger and the response. For example, the teacher gives a command, the student responds to it, and then the teacher provides reinforcement. And this reinforcement part is super important. There are 2 kinds of reinforcement. The first is positive reinforcement, like giving praise, extra points, or small rewards. Basically anything that makes students feel happy and appreciated. The second is negative reinforcement, which is not punishment, by the way. It just means removing something unpleasant when the student does the right thing. Like if they behave well, they don't have to do extra homework. For instance, if a student is diligent, they might get a pass on extra assignment. So, what's the goal of all this reinforcement? It is to encourage students to keep repeating those good behavior. Now let me give you a simple example of how this theory works. Let's say in class, you want your student to develop discipline. You can start by creating a habit of submitting assignments on time. First, set a rule that all assignments must be handed in early, before class starts. Students who submit on time get extra points, and if they collect, say, 10 extra points, they will earn a reward, like skipping a remedial session or getting a small gift from you. So what about the student who submit late? Well, they will get extra tax or maybe a slight deduction in their score. Over time, students get used to turning in their work on time because they know there are clear rewards and consequences.
Created using Powtoon.